You may have heard that Ukraine ruined all plans of the Russian totalitarian regime to get full control over the country, within 3 to 5 days after they started their bloodthirsty war. And the Turkish military drone, called Bayraktar, has played an important role in this. Today, we want to explain to you in simple words what Bayraktar TB2 is and how it actually works. So, the Bayraktar TB2 is a drone. It's an unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It is controlled remotely and it carries up to 4 missiles or bombs that are all precision guided and very effective against different armored vehicles and military equipment. We will not deep into the terms and tell you a lot about technical specs. We just want you to have an idea of what Bayraktar actually is and how it works. So, the drone is 6.5 meters long and has a wingspan of 12 meters. Its payload is 150 kilograms and the takeoff mass is 700 kilos. It's powered by a single internal combustion engine with only 100 horsepower. The engine burns gasoline, and the drone has fuel tanks that can carry up to 300 liters of gasoline. The little engine and a lot of fuel allow the Bayraktar to be in the air for 27 hours without landing for refueling. This is a key to success because these drones can actually patrol the area and immediately send missiles and bombs to the enemy's troops when needed. The service ceiling is 7,600 meters or 25,000 feet, but the operational altitude is 5,500 meters. It's high enough to hide from all popular types of radars and air defense systems. So the enemies just don't see Bayraktars while the drones may be sending some missiles right over their heads. Also, these vehicles are pretty fast. Their top speed is 120 knots or 220 kilometers per hour. By the way, the price of a single Bayraktar TB2 drone is between $1 and $2 million. One of the problems is the range of the remote control. The crew should be placed anywhere on land, but the drone is not able to be controlled at big distances. The furthest point where you can control Bayraktar is 150 kilometers or 90 miles from the control center. And this limits the area of attacks. Now, the Bayraktar drones are made to fight tanks, armored vehicles, command vehicles, and other military equipment that is placed on land or moving over land. These drones have been the most important factor of Ukrainian success in the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Ukrainian air forces have been using Bayraktar drones very effectively to destroy columns of enemy equipment. Unfortunately, a lot of drones have been lost due to attacks by Russian air defense systems. But we keep getting more videos of the wonderful work of Bayraktars in Ukraine. We hope that Bayraktars will help Ukrainian defenders protect Ukraine from Russian occupants and save Ukrainian freedom. We stand with Ukraine and do everything we can to help the Ukrainian army. If you want to help, read the description and find the link to the official charity organization formed by the Ukrainian government. Choose the charity you want to take part in and donate. Every dollar counts.